Hi everyone, this is Sarah the Catholic Homemaker. Today I'm going to show you how to make Beet Kvass, and it is a very healthy fermented beverage. First of all, welcome to everyone and welcome to all who are new to my channel. Please consider subscribing to my channel so we can continue to grow this community, and hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Hit the notification bell for all notifications so you know when I post, which is every Monday at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Also hit the share button and comment below and let me know if you've made Beet Kvass, if you've had it before, what your favorite way to enjoy it is, or your favorite way to make it. And I'd love to hear from you, and doing all these things will also help more people to find my channel and my video. First of all, we have some organic beets I got from the store. I did not find any at the farmer's market. They may be out of season actually. But I'm just gonna be washing them off for just any dirt that they might have on it. I got the organic beets from, I think it's Organic Girl. And do not waste these greens, they're so good for you. So I'm just gonna cut them up. So I chopped everything up. I'm just gonna use these to saute for dinner, maybe with some onions and garlic. And I did not peel the skin. I just took off the top and the bottom, and I'm gonna compost that in our backyard. And I just sliced it maybe about like an inch thick. As you can see, you don't wanna shred or really cut it much smaller than this because it's gonna ferment way too fast otherwise. I also have some fresh garlic cloves, some sliced ginger root, and I'm also gonna use some fresh dill from my brother's garden. That's all he had to spare, but that was very nice of him. I have a quart mason jar ready here, and I'm just gonna simply put it right into the jar. And so these were like a large and a medium-sized beet approximately. And this is gonna make a quart of Beet Kvass. It's a good liver tonic. And I'm just kind of looking for some extra support for my liver right now. So that is why I was motivated to actually make some. And then I'm just gonna put the garlic cloves and the ginger right in. And I'm gonna need 2 teaspoons of salt. I went ahead and added the salt and dill. And I'm just gonna fill this with filtered water. Ideally, I would have a weight to weigh down everything in here, but I don't. So I'm just gonna hope for the best. It seems like everything is submerged under the water. You just wanna do that to prevent any sort of mold. And I'm just gonna cover it with a lid and leave it out. Oops, my fingers are stained with beet juice. Leave it out for 2 days on the countertop and then put it into the fridge. And it is ready to go. After that, you can just drink it right away and pour it. I've actually heard of people using the same beets over and over again. So like, well, not over and over again. So like one more time after this, because as you can see, this was a lot of beets for 1 quart. So you could probably just add like extra brine, like 2 teaspoons of salt and filtered water once you're out of this batch to make a new batch, but you'd probably get like a much stronger batch if you made it from scratch with new beets. But that's just a suggestion if you want to be a little frugal. And yeah, I'm very excited to start drinking it again. It's been a while since I have made Beet Kvass. And again, I said I just kind of need that extra liver detoxing support for this time. And it's good to just have a variety of different beneficial bacteria in your gut. Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you, this is what the Beet Kvass looks like when it's finished. And I've already had it a few times, and it has a very pleasant taste to it. It takes on a little bit of the garlic and dill flavor, but I just think that it's very pleasant. So I hope you found this video to be helpful, and until next time, I hope you have a wonderful week, and God bless you and your families.